How to delete the background of an image using CapCut. It's super easy and doesn't require any extra tools, so let's jump right in. First, create a project and import your photo or image. Once you import your image, drag it to the timeline like this. Now click on the image in the timeline to make sure it's selected. Now go to the top right panel and click on Remove Busy. Here you will find the auto removal. Simply select the auto removal. With one click, CapCut will automatically delete the subject and delete the background from your image. Super fast and super clean. Now you can add a new background, color or animation behind your image by placing it on a layer below in the timeline. And that's how you delete the background of an image. Perfect for thumbnails or creative edits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.